Welcome back here with Overdrive, and it's time now for us to take your queries on Auto Selector. Sirish joins us as always. Hi Sirish, our first question comes into us from Aman Sachdev. Aman writes in from Gurgaon. Now he wants to buy himself a compact diesel SUV. His budget is between 25 to 30 lakh rupees. He shortlisted the Nissan X-Trail SLX Automatic. He's test driven it, likes the car a lot. But since the new 2011 Nissan X-Trail has been launched in Japan, when will it come to India? He also says he doesn't want to buy the car and see a new version being launched in the Indian market a few months later. Also, is the X-Trail a good choice, or is there anything else that he can consider? His running is mostly in the city or on highways, and he needs a diesel engine specifically. What would you advise?
Well, see, the X-Trail is imported into India as a completely built-up unit. It is not manufactured here. So because there's a new X-Trail that has been unveiled abroad, it will definitely come to India, and very soon, once the current stocks are exhausted. So yes, it will be coming soon, so you might want to wait for it. But as for the X-Trail, see, it's not a large SUV like, for instance, the Fortuner or the Outlander. So it's not as spacious. It doesn't have 3 rows of seats. It's only got 2 rows of seats. But because it's compact, it is very car-like to drive. So it rides well, it handles well. And the engine, it's got good performance. It's frugal also. With the automatic gearbox, it's very easy to drive, both on the highway and on the city. We took it to Chikmagalur a couple of months back. And yes, it was a very nice SUV to drive. Not a hardcore SUV that you want to go off-roading with, but a very sensible and practical SUV, if a bit cramped. As for options, well, Hyundai is just getting ready to launch the new Santa Fe, and it'll be out by next month, pricing around 20 to 22 lakh rupees, which is excellent pricing. It'll have a good diesel engine, a lot of space inside, and proper hardcore off-road credentials. So that's maybe something that you want to look at, and then make up your mind between either the Santa Fe or this one, the X-Trail.
Well, our next question is a biking question. Napoleon Pereira, 22 years old, from Mumbai, writes in saying he wants to buy himself a bike. His budget is between 90,000 to 1.2 lakh rupees. He shortlisted the Hero Honda Charisma ZMR, the Yamaha R15 and the RE Thunderbird. Now he says both him and his brother are over 6 feet tall, so they do need a biggish bike. He's test-ridden the Charisma ZMR and the R15, and while the ZMR seems to suit him, he thinks the R15 feels a bit small. His priorities are comfort, good performance, reliability, good after-sales. Is the Charisma the best choice, or are there any other 200cc bikes coming to India in the next few months? What would you recommend, Sirish?
See, you're right, the R15 is a bit compact because it's made to handle well even on a racetrack and on the road. So it is a bit compact. Even I find myself slightly cramped on the bike, so maybe you being over 6 feet tall will find it more cramped. And the Charisma is larger, so it is more comfortable. So see, again, you got to sit on both the bikes and see whether you're comfortable. I think you might not be as comfortable on the R15 as on the Charisma, so maybe the Charisma is the better motorcycle for you. But I think the Thunderbird would be even more spacious, and it is a comfortable motorcycle. Of course, Bullets aren't as reliable as Hero Hondas, but most of the niggles have been sorted out. And when you buy a Bullet, like I said before, you buy into a community of bikers, go out on Sunday rides, go out to the Himalayas. There's that whole biking enthusiast community that buys Bullets. So it's a great family to be with. As for other motorcycles in that segment, there's just the Avenger 220, which has just been launched with the Pulsar 220 engine. But otherwise, there are not too many bikes on the horizon as of now.
Well, that wraps up Auto Selector for this week. Remember, if you have a question, we'll have the answer for you on Auto Selector. So send us your queries to helpdesk@overdrive.co.in.